WeatherWords is a production of The Reporter, Delaware County's leading news source.
Good day to everyone, and at the moment that's going to be the case. In fact, for today, basically, it'll be the case. It's tomorrow we have to watch out for. What's melting behind me at the moment is what's left of the 6.5 inches that we did get during the snowstorm. And it's probably not going to disappear completely before what gets here tomorrow. Fortunately, we're not going to get what's going to be happening, believe it or not, right now and today out in the Midwest. They already have 1.5 inch size hailstones, and they're predicting 2-inch hailstones. A 1.5 inch hailstone's the size of a ping pong ball. That's enough to dent your car and break your windshield. They're predicting even bigger than that, and horrible winds. The tornado forecast is a 7 on the Torcon scale for a whole big section out there. They're going to get lambasted with this. They already have winds at 62 miles an hour. That's not what we're going to get. Tomorrow, late afternoon, tomorrow night, and on Saturday morning at least, we're going to get something. This is the first time I remember tuning into everything that I can get a hold of where no one's giving you how much we're supposed to get. One model says 3 to 5. One says 8 to 10. One says turning to ice. The other one says all snow. You know what? Until it actually takes its form and takes its track, which apparently it's not going to do till sometime tomorrow, even they're not sure. Normally, 3 days ahead of time, they tell you get out the shovels. All they did say it's going to be a mess, and whatever falls, you're going to have to plow it, okay? So get ready for, I think, some more slushy, heavy stuff, and that's typical for this winter. It really is. Well, February ended, and even though we had 2 below zero days at the beginning of the month, we also had lots of 50s, and we had a record-setting 63 on the 15th. The warm won over the cold, and we ended up with our average temperature for February over 4 degrees above normal. The whole beginning part of the month was rather dry, and it looked like, oh, we're not going to get any snow, we're not going to get any rain. It was just like yucky gray. Well, it almost caught up. Our snow was only down by a little less than 5 inches, which isn't too bad. Normal's 21.7 for February, and we had 17 point something, whatever. So not bad, and we were only 0.8 of an inch shy of liquid, where at one point we were 2 inches shy. So not a horrible month. I just hope we get snow and not the ice. We've had a lot of ice this year. Lillian coming up my driveway says, be careful, your driveway's icy. And I said, what else is new? I mean, that's been this whole entire winter. So give me the snow, you can plow that. And I'm just telling everyone to please be safe. Believe it or not, all next week's going to be in the mid to upper 30s the whole entire week. And we are getting into March now, because it is. So it's going to get warmer and warmer and warmer as we go on. We can always hope. But I remember last April 4th in that horrible mess. Anything can happen this time of year. However, they're way ahead in the tornado count already for the whole entire 2023. And I mean, way ahead. So I don't know what we saw what one was like last year. Let's hope we don't see any more for a long time to come. So it will get windy, but not horribly windy. And we'll see what we get. My shovel's ready if I need it. Have yours ready too, and have a good day.
To subscribe or advertise, call 607-464-4009.